Meaning of full court press.
Full court press.
Full court press.
Full court press.
Full court press. The term full court press is commonly used in basketball, where it refers to a defensive strategy that involves intense and aggressive pressure on the opposing team all over the court. In a full court press, all 5 players of the defending team aggressively pursue and challenge the ball carrier, making it difficult for the attacking team to move the ball forward and score points. The result of a well-executed full court press can be exhausting for both teams, but it can also be effective in forcing turnovers and disrupting the flow of the game, leading to more scoring opportunities for the defending team.